Hey guys, as always, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'll be talking about how one small thing an e-commerce website did that gained my entire trust. So much that I almost right now itself I'm thinking of buying that stuff. And also before the video, yeah, as always, I would love to ask you to put this video on 1.5 or 2x speed so that you can save time. That's how I watch all the YouTube videos which are informational, so I can save sometimes, and it's kind of addictive. So yeah, so going into the video, so basically I have this iPhone SC, and its back camera got damaged because while I was traveling, I just dropped my phone and it got some issues. So I was trying to get a solution for that. So what you do when you have a problem, you go to Google, right? So I went on to Google, and as you can see, I was trying to get an idea about the cost, or indeed if I can buy something to fix it. I was just trying to get something as a replacement. So I went on and searched for iPhone SE camera replacement. Um, there were a lot of stuff coming in. The search results, I almost checked most of them. All of them were talking about how to fix it, but I don't want to know how to fix it. I need maybe some contacts of some people to fix it, or maybe some products that I can buy and then give it to my nearby people to fix it, right? So I was going through all these uh, um, results, and this one actually caught my attention because they have this star rating, and it always, if you know SEO, I'm talking about the star rating, right? If you can see, so if you know SEO, if you have a rating widget inside your um, product page, and if it's optimized well according to SEO, it will also show up in the results page, right? So that, in my opinion, will improve the click-through rate, as it happened to me, right? I clicked on it. I haven't heard about maxb.com, so my trust is almost zero, right? I am thinking that this is some scam sites that is offering me something, and I see that it's I could see that yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for, some replacement cam, and it's just 519, right? So for anything that is related to Apple, 519 is very cheap. So I was like, okay, this, I'm not sure if whether it's actually legit or not. I'm not still sure, but I was like so much skeptical at that time. But I decided that I just wanted to learn more. Usually in product pages, it will be if it's an optimized product page. I have also made a video of how another product page actually influenced me. And that's a long product page. I'll give the link to that in the descriptions. But this one was a short but smart one. When I scrolled down, I could see just a video. That's it. The product page is not too big. It's just this. Apart from the reviews, it's just one scroll down. That's it. But they have embedded a video, right? Then I decided to play it. I'm sure that you won't be able to hear it, but this was the game changer for me, right? This was an innovation that I thought more people should do that. What they did was that they brought in an anchor, and they put an they put an human element behind it, right? So I can actually see that there is someone working behind it, and talking about this product, in which they are right away answering my pain point, that is whether my iPhone SE got damaged, and they are showcasing the product here itself um, in the video itself. I can see the product that she is holding it in her hand. That actually create a lot more trust for me, basically. And just like that, she is talking about how to order, when will it get dispatched, how many people have ordered till date, what are the payment gateways, all these details, and WhatsApp support, email support, everything. She's talking about everything. So that was a real game changer for me, right? There was an actual video, easy to shoot, an anchor talking about all the pain points that I have, and also showcasing the product, the real product. When you see that real product be in the hands of someone else, right, the trust goes up. And she's also talking about the delivery part of things, how much time will take, for the dispatch, all this stuff, and also the customer support part of things, right? So it was really, I thought these kind of hacks actually is needed when, if you are trying to stand apart from the crowd right now these days, right? These are the days when which anyone can start a Shopify site and uh, maybe start drop shipping, but these kind of small hacks actually helps the increase the conversion rate, right? So without this video, maybe they'll have just 1% conversion video, but with this video they'll, I think it will help them to jump to 1.5. That means for every 1,000 visitors, you'll get 5 more or 10 more buyers, right? So that's huge. So this is just what I wanted to showcase in this small video. Do let me know, do check out this page, and if you want to create this kind of videos for your product page also, you can right away go and inspire from this, and let me know how it works. So as always, I'll be coming up with another marketing related content on next week. So to get updated, click the subscription button and hit the like button too. Bye guys.